Hi, everybody. Here is Kate. I'm very happy to be here to give you some introduction of our Kirisun PoC Network Management System with you. I hope you can enjoy this time with us. Before we start today's topic, I'd like to show you some tips about this webinar. You will be muted during this webinar. If you have any questions, please write down in the question box. And if the webinar will be recorded and you can download it from our website. Besides, we will turn off the monitor to have a good experience. Okay, now let's get to today's topic. Okay, as you can see, this is the contents of today's topic. The first one is Kirisun PoC Network Management System Introduction. Greatly improve our work and management efficiency. And our system is based on Amazon server, which can ensure the stable use and operation of the terminal and platform. Besides, the information will be encrypted and stored, so we don't need to worry about our information security. Second, as you can see, this is the login interface. We need to input the live server address to go to the login interface, and then input our account and password. When we log into the home page successfully, we will see the G menu is on the left and the content area is on the right. We can also see our client's name, login account, account balance, as well as changing our password at the top right. Third, it is the billing management. The fourth part is client billing. We can issue, recycle, and exchange coins, and incur billing records for clients. Please click Billing and Client Billing to go to the interface as shown below. The fourth slide shows the agent's information. The others are information of the agent's clients. Its coins. We have a new business closing needs for small price granularity, which the existing yearly and monthly coins cannot support. So we have a new coin system Kcoin, and we have stopped issuing yearly coins and monthly coins which need to be exchanged to Kcoin. Kcoin will be the only coins of the platform, and the functions are as before. When we order the Kcoins from Kirisun, we will have Kcoins in our accounts. We can use the Kcoins to create terminals, enable cloud SIM service, or issue them for our clients, and so on. To issue coins for clients, please select a client and click Issue Coins. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please enter the number of yearly coins, monthly coins, or Kcoins, and click OK. Then we can see our client's balance will be refreshed and increased. Recycle coins. If we issue coins for one client, we can recycle coins from the clients. Note, if we had used coins to create terminals or value-add service, we can't recycle the coins from the terminals but replace terminals. In this page, we can recycle the Kcoins from our clients, and I will introduce what situation we can use the replace terminal function for letter. To recycle coins, please select a client and click Recycle Coins. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please enter the number of yearly coins, monthly coins, OK coins, and click OK. Then we will see our client's balance will be refreshed and decreased. Exchange our yearly coins or monthly coins to King coins. Since the new coin system update, we must exchange yearly coins or monthly coins to K coins to create terminals or value-add service. Coin conversion. When yearly coins is equal to 100 K coins. When monthly coins is equal to 10 K coins. To exchange coins, please click Billing and Client Billing, and then select a client and click Exchange Coins. In the pop-up interface, please enter the types and numbers of coins, and then click OK. This is a part of billing records. We can incur a client's billing records of account creation for terminals and terminal renewal by incurring a client's name or clients or a combination, and view the client's billing records by creating information. The second part of client's billing is renewal terminal. If our terminal is expiring or expired, we need to renew them, which will be extended the valid time of annual renewal or monthly renewal. At this page, we can renew terminals by entering the terminal ID, terminal name, client, valid time or status. Renew terminal. To renew terminal, please click Billing and Renewal Terminal. Select a terminal and click Renew, and then please set duration and click OK. Export Renew Terminal. To export renewal history, please click Billing and Renewal Terminal. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Click Export and click OK. Fourth, it comes to the terminal management. Part 1 is terminal list. At this part, we can add single terminal and multiple terminals, editing and deleting a terminal, set parameters and channel, or make a normal control. Furthermore, we can also renew terminals, enable full version dispatcher, enable voice recording, enable patcher, background SIM, replace a terminal, edit a contact, add a terminal to a group, synchronize group, and export a terminal. Add a single terminal. Please click Terminal and Terminal List. In this page, please click Add. We need to notice that if we want to add value-added service such as recording, patcher, or so on, we can click Add below the value-added service. After adding, please click OK to jump to the terminal list interface. Add multiple terminals. Please click Terminal and Terminal List. In this page, please click Batch Add. We can add terminals by downloading templates or downloading batch input. After adding, please click OK to jump to the terminal list interface. Added a terminal. Please click Edit to go to the Edit interface. After editing, please click OK. At this page, here are some contents we need to notice. The first one, terminal types. An account to log into the PoC. An account to log into a PTT terminal with app. An account to log into the Flat2Tor app with dispatcher. An account to log into the dispatcher with. Second one, name. Terminals are distinguished by name. Call interaction levels. There is 1 to 5 levels. 5 is the highest level. Default server. We can set a server for a terminal to log into. Backup server. When a default server is down, a terminal switches to a backup server. Set parameters. To set parameters of terminal. For example, turn the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS on or off. Please click Terminal and Terminal List, and then select a terminal and click Parameters Setting. In this interface of PoC, we can see whether to show the parameters option in the menu or change the state of the terminal, such as Show Menu, Show Bluetooth in Menu, Show Wi-Fi in Menu, and so on. The default values are indicated in red. In this interface of dispatcher, we can set the group monitor, environment monitor, remote switch group, and so on. The default values are indicated in red. After setting, click OK. Here are some introduction of default on and off. Default. It means that apply default setting for the terminal and can be adjusted according to the option on the terminal menu. Suppose HD voice is open by default. If HD voice is closed by NMS and the terminal is turned on, HD voice will become closed. If the option is adjusted to default, HD voice will also be closed. On. Force function or menu to open. After setting, the terminal restart and loading will take effort successfully. Off. Force the function or menu option to be turned off. After setting, the terminal restart and loading will take effort successfully. Note: the above setting takes effort when the terminal is turned on and loaded in. Set a channel. Assign a channel number 1 to 16 to the group a terminal is in, so that the terminal can switch to the group by selecting the channel number. To set a channels for a terminal, please click Terminal and Terminal List, and then select a terminal and click Channel Configuration. We can enable or disable default channel, change channel number, automatic allocation channel, replacements of channel. Default channel. Turn on the default channel to make the network management system channel numbers are matched to the default knob channel numbers. If not, it might be not matched to. Change channel number. We can change the channel number by clicking up and down button, or holding down an engine and dragging to change the channel number. Automatic allocation channel. Click automatic allocation channel to assign channel numbers to all the groups the terminal is in. Replacement of channel. To exchange the channel numbers of two groups, please select the groups and then click Replacement. Low-mode control. Low-mode control can help us similarly update the terminal status and load data when the terminal is configured remotely without opening the terminal, such as restart and change update. To remote control, please select a terminal, click Remote Control. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please select an item from the drop-down list and click OK. Read Neural Terminal. To read Neural Terminal, please select a terminal and click Renew Terminal. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please set a duration and click OK. Enable full version dispatcher. If a dispatcher is a basic dispatcher and want to achieve environment monitor or chat playback and others more advanced functions, we need to enable full version dispatcher. Here are the functions of full version dispatcher that are different from basic dispatcher. Note: enable full version dispatcher costs no coins now. To enable full version dispatcher, please select a dispatcher terminal and click Enable full version dispatcher. In the pop-up interface, please set a duration and click OK. Enable voice recording. If we want to record voice over terminal, please enable recording function. The recording will be stopped for 3 months and can be incurred on the dispatcher. To enable recording, please select a terminal and click Enable voice recording. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please set a duration and click OK. Enable patcher. Enable the patcher function to allow staffs to perform tasks at designated location, check in and sign in, and upload data to the dispatcher system at the same time. To enable patcher, please select a PoC app terminal and then click Enable Patcher. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please set a duration and click OK. By clone SIM. Clone SIM is opposite to a physical SIM card that can communicate freely without limits of network operators, areas, time, and national boundaries. It can be purchased by Kcoins and exchanged into service which is safe, stable, and reliable. To buy a clone SIM, please select a PoC terminal and click Buy Clone SIM. In the pop-up interface, please select a package and click OK. Note: only T315 can buy clone SIM now. Replace a terminal. If a terminal suddenly breaks down and stops work, we can use Replace Terminal to move the duration and permission to a terminal that has not been created on NMS before. To replace a terminal, please select a PoC terminal and click Replace Terminal. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Enter the number of a new terminal and click OK. Edit contacts. We can use Edit contacts to add some regular contacts to the terminal, so that we can easily find them in terminal's contacts list. To add date contact, please select a terminal and click Edit Contact. In the proper interface, please select a terminal from the terminal list and add it to the contact list. Add a terminal to a group. We can add 2 or more terminals to a group so that the terminal can intercommunicate. A terminal can join multiple groups. To join a group, please select a terminal and click Join Group. Then we will see a proper interface. Please select a group and click OK. Synchronized group. Synchronized group means that we can copy a terminal's group terminal relations to another terminal. Copy the terminal ID that we want to synchronize its group terminal's relations. And then select a terminal and click Sync Group. Then we will see a proper interface. Post the terminal ID and click OK. Export a terminal. To download terminal information, please click Terminal and Terminal List, and then click Export Terminal. In the proper dialog box, please select one or more items and click OK. We can add service or set configuration for a terminal or multiple terminals above those function page. We can also achieve those functions below the drop-down list for one terminal. Please click Terminal and Terminal List, and then select a terminal and click the drop-down list and enable a function we want to. The second part of terminal management is online time. We can incur and export the online time statistics of a terminal. The default online time of the current page is yesterday's online time of the terminal. Detailed statistics. To view detailed statistics, please select an entry and click Information. Export statistics. We can export online statistics by selecting an entry and click Export. The third part of the terminal management is data usage. To incur the traffic amount of terminal consumers, we can click Terminal and click Data Usage. We can incur by terminal ID, ICC ID, date, clients, or a combination of them. View data statistics. On this page, we can view more detailed by selecting an entry and click Information. Export statistics. We can export statistics by selecting an entry and click Export. Fifth is the group management. The fourth part is group list. We can add a group and assign terminals to it so that the terminals can intercommunicate. In the page, we can add and incur a group, edit group terminal, and associate groups. Add a group. Please click Add. Then we will see a proper interface. Please select a terminal, a client, and a serial group. Enter a group name. Select a group code type, and enter the number of groups. Finally, click OK to go to the group list interface. There is a note that, as for the group type, we can select group core, dispatcher, or only dispatcher. Group core. When a member in a group calls, all online members of the group receive the call. This is the default group type when a group is added. Dispatcher. Under this type, there are common members and dispatcher. When a dispatcher calls, only online member number receive the call. When a common member calls, only one dispatcher can receive. If no dispatcher is online, the group cannot communicate. Only dispatchers in the group can be called. Inquire a group. We can inquire a group by group ID, group name, client, group type, or a combination of them. Edit group terminal. To add one or more terminals to a group or move them out of it, please click Group and Group List. Click Edit Terminal, and then we need to select a terminal we want to add or delete a group. Associate groups. When Group A associates to Group B, it means that Group A will be monitored by Group B. To associate a group to another one, please click Group and Group List, and then click Associate Group. The second part of group management is group terminal relations. In this interface, we can inquire clients, groups, and terminals. Join terminals to groups. On this page, we can add multiple terminals to a group. Please select the group and click Add. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please select the terminal and click OK to add the terminal to the group. Move terminals out of groups. On this page, we can move one or multiple terminals out of group. Please select the group. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please select terminal. Click Delete to move the terminal out of the group. 6. Is the client management. Just click Client Management and click Client List. In this page, we can add a client, delete a client, export client list, view upper agent, buy a server, and buy closing package. Add a client. Please click Add. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please enter the information and click OK. Note, there are two client types. The first one, agent. An agent can create a lower agent or client. The second one, client. A client cannot create a lower client. Export the client list. We can click Export to export the client list. View upper agent. Please select a client and click Superior agent. Buy a server. To buy a server, please select a client and click Buy server. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please select a server and click OK. Buy closing package. To buy a closing package for a client, please select a client, click Buy closing. Then we will see a pop-up interface here. Please select a package and click OK. 7. Is the account management. We can add an account for clients to log into the system and inquire accounts in the account list. Add an account. Please click Account and click Account List, and then click Add. Then we will see a pop-up interface here. Please enter a login account, username, account role, client name, password, and remark. Finally, Please click OK and go to the account list. Note: the items indicated with star are compulsory. Incur an account. Please click Account and click Account List. In the interface displayed, please specify a login account, username, online status, or a combination of them. Finally, click Search. 8 is closing management. The fourth part of it is order list. In this page, we can view closing orders and export closing orders. If we want to know more about what closing is, please review the webinar session 2 video letter. View closing order. Please click Closing and Order List. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please select the line of an order and click Information. Export closing orders. Please click Closing and click Order List. In this interface displayed, please click Export. The second part of closing management is renewal closing. In this page, we can use keycoins to renew expiring or expired closing package for monthly renewal or annual renewal, and export closing renewal list. Renew closing. To renew closing, please select the line of an order and click Renew. Then we will see a pop-up interface. Please set a duration of it and then click OK. Export closing renewal list. Please click Closing and Renew Closing. In this interface displayed, click Export. 9th is the log management. We can incur log and export log in the page of log list. Incur log. Please click Log and click Log List. Then we will see a pop-up interface here. Please specify a username, client name, operation type, or a combination of them, and then click Search. Export log. We can click Export to export log. Okay, now I have finished today's topic. Here is Q&A part. If you have any questions, please write down in the question box. Okay, this webinar will be recorded and you can download it from our website. And if you have any questions, you can send it to our sales management and by email or chat. Thank you. See you next time.